Hi guys, I want to recommend today this outdoor brass spotlight from Gardenreet. And I want to tell you that I was looking for a light to my little patio that has like really heavy resistance to the brass, like the water and all the stuff. So I find this new friend right here, and I have to say that I'm just in love. So when you open your box, you're gonna find, of course, the manual right here with very detailed instructions what you have to do right there, and then you're gonna find this spotlight that comes up here, and this is for your patio. So let's install this. We have a little bowl, so let's install this and show you why you definitely have to try it. Okay, the material sounds like really strong, so this is gonna support like really hard weathers like rain and all the stuff, so that's great. We have here, this is gonna be cable, and wow. Okay guys, so this is the final look for my garden light, and I just love it. You can see it's a highlight, so it's perfect. And remember, you can move it right there like it here. And here's my light, my little garden right here, and it looks like perfect because it's really high intensity. So I like to put it here because in the night there are some animals right here, so I like to have this light here so they don't come here to my house. So definitely you have to try it because it's a really good light, and the material is perfect because it's going to be really strong if it's a high weather like storm or a lot of rain.